Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome to or back to my channel. For today's Fruity Fresh look, I did a peachy halo eye. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so you see when I post new videos. I am trying to post new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so my brows are on. I'll link my tutorial in the cards above, and then I went ahead and primed my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape and set that in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. Now with the shade Royal Jewels from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette, I am going to buff that in my crease as my transition shade. Now with Centerfold from the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, I am going to pack that on my inner and outer corner. I'm keeping this center area clear because I'm going to do a halo eye. Now that I've built up the inner and outer portion, I'm going to lightly connect them by just blending at the top. Now with Hard Place, I'm very lightly going to deepen up those inner and outer corners. And then I'll go back in with Centerfold to blend those out. Now with the smallest amount of this maroon shade from the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, I am going to lightly pack it in the very outer and very inner corners of my eye just to further define things. I'm really using barely any product here, and I'm tapping off any excess from my brush. Now with Sunstone from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette, again, I am popping that right on the center of my eye, taking it up through the crease as well. Then I am very carefully gonna intensify that with my finger. For more of an everyday look, I think this would be gorgeous to just kind of stop here and match the lower lash line with this and pop on an inner corner highlight. But for the heck of it, I'm gonna add glitter. So I'm taking the Colourpop Pressed Glitter in Boom by Ah, and I'm popping that right on the center of the lid. If I wanted the glitter to last all day long, I would put down a base like the NYX Glitter Primer or something. That up above the crease. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with my Precious. And my other eye is done. I'm priming my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, but this is the Dewy formula. I filmed my first impressions on this formula, and if you're watching this in the future, I will link that video in the cards above. Otherwise, it will be posted on Monday. I'm going to cover up my under eyes and any other discoloration peeking through with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I'm setting my under eyes and the rest of my face really lightly with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder, just making sure that any creases are patted out first. Adding a little bit of definition into my face with the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche. Warming up the complexion with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Making sure I really work it into the hairline. For blush, I am using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. Hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. I'm redefining my freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Lining my lips with the MAC Ginger Root Creamstick Pro Liner. Stop it. I'm trying to line my lips here. And the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream in Praline Beige. And topping that all off with the MAC Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. Finishing off the eyes, I am taking Centerfold on the inner and outer portions of my lower lash line. Before I go any further, I want to line my waterline with the Rock & Kohl Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going on top of that with the peach shade again. Now I'm taking Sunstone on the very center of my lower lash line. Highlighting my inner corner with Pearl. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the Colourpop Pressed Glitter in Boombayah right on the center of my lower lash line. And first I am putting a little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer right under my eye. Otherwise I'm going to have glitter all the way down my face. Just pop the glitter right on top of that. I'm going to go pop on lashes really quick and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I used the Kiss lashes in Ritzy. I stuck them on with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive and meshed my lashes together with the Bambi Eye Mascara from L'Oreal. And then I concealed the lash line just a tiny bit with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. That's the finished look! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a peachy weekend and I'll see you on Monday.